Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can erase part of an image in Canva. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to select any image here, and then you need to click on edit image. And if you want, you can remove the background of an image. So I am going to remove the background, and after that I'm going to show you how you can remove any part of an image in Canva. So it will take few seconds to remove the background, and then I'm going to show you how you can remove part of an image in Canva. So it takes few seconds. Okay, so now you can see that, and then you need to click on erase and select the brush size. So let me select the brush size. Okay, so now I want to remove that, and then you need to click on done. So now you can see that part of an image is removed. So this is our process by which you can remove or erase part of an image in Canva. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.